In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a Steam gift card step by step so you can add funds to your Steam wallet quickly and without any confusion. If you have a Steam gift card or wallet code and you're not sure where to enter it, this guide will walk you through the exact process. This is perfect for beginners and it only takes a minute once you know where to look. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open the Steam application on your computer and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. This is important because the funds will be added to whichever account you're currently using. Once Steam is open, look at the very top of the window and click the Games menu. This menu is where Steam keeps a few useful account and activation options. After you click Games, a drop-down list will appear. From that list, select Redeem a Steam Wallet Code. This is the option you need for adding a gift card or wallet code to your Steam account. When you click it, Steam will take you to the redemption page. On this page, you'll see a box where you can type in your code. Carefully enter the Steam gift card code exactly as it appears on the card or in the message you received. Make sure there are no extra spaces and that every letter and number is correct, because even a small typo can cause the code not to work. If your code is case sensitive or includes dashes, enter it exactly as shown. Once you've typed the full code, double check it before submitting. If everything looks correct, continue with the redemption process and confirm the code to add the funds to your Steam wallet. After the code is accepted, the balance should appear in your account and you'll be ready to use it for games, DLC, in-game items, or anything else available on Steam. And that's it. You've successfully redeemed your Steam gift card. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.